Well, the work is pretty much stopped on Uncle's house while they work on mine. Um, we're going up with the walls. They're doing it, I don't know, their own way, I guess. They are not put in the columns or a foundation. They said they're going to pour in the floor later, but to me, I think you would build like an actual foundation. But hey, I'm not going to argue with them. They got their way of building houses. But it's really, really small. There we go. We're just okay. So they've got it marked off where the columns are going, but the columns come in later. Kind of see from here, this is the whole thing. Where that guy's working right now is going to be the bathroom. That corner is the bathroom. That corner is going to be a kitchen area. And this is going to be kind of a one room, serves all. It's a small, small house. I think Melanie's asking where the back door is. I already told her it's too small to have a door. If you put in a door, there's no kitchen cabinet. We'll just put in a window. If there's an emergency, climb out the window. Jump out the window if there's an emergency. If you put in a back door, yeah, you're gonna lose a kitchen cabinet if you put. Yeah, put a ladder for the window. Okay, so she's got them taking some bricks out. They're gonna put in a back door because I'm not gonna argue with her. The house is too small for a back door, but she wants a back door, so she'll lose a cabinet. Such is life. That first step right there, where the door is, that's going to be the height of the floor. So they're going to build everything inside up, like 8 or 9 inches, which should help when it rains. Okay, I was just going to show how they're doing the rebar here. You've got the large rebar here, goes through the brick. They got the smaller stuff running along it, and they're going to pile up the cement, mortar, whatever it is they use. I think it's just cement. He's tying them together. So hopefully with the rebar going up and across, you get some kind of strength, because like I've already shown you, these hollow blocks are pretty bad. And he's almost got this form ready for the column. Just real quick, I'm leaving for the day. They're still working. I asked about this window, because you can see it's like 3 bricks wide. And this is what I'm dealing with here. And I find it funny to me. I said, so how tall is it going to be? He says it's going to be 4 feet wide, 120 centimeters tall. And I just can't do the math like that. I'm like, pick one or the other, either feet or centimeters. Dude, I can't switch back and forth in the same sentence. but that's what we deal with here. They don't care about measurements. Sometimes it's feet, sometimes it's inches, sometimes it's meters. They don't care. Keeps it interesting.